Hey, today we're gonna be full of bologna, like literally full of bologna. Got a whole chub of bologna from my old buddies over at Curtis Packers. You can find these if you're around North Carolina, I don't know, Food Lines. Food Lines will be carrying these chub bolognas very soon, like a lot of them. So you can go over there and you can do this very same thing. We're gonna make bologna burnt ends, just like brisket burnt ends, okay? I think it's gonna be fun. I've never done it, I've seen it done, and I thought, today's the day. Today's the day. Take that bad boy out of the package. And yeah, we're gonna break this down. Let me see, I'm gonna take it off of this tray. I'll put that tray right there. And this is just like a plastic little sleeve that they put over the bologna. Full of bologna. Y'all always knew I was full of bologna. Full of bologna, Hussey is. Make a little slit right there. Oh, come on. Let's do it like that. Just do it like that, Hussey. Woo! Skin a rabbit. That's what my mama used to say when I pulled my shirt off. I was a little boy. All right. So there we go. Oh, chub of bologna. I'm just gonna lop off these ends right here. Just like that. All right. That'll be for a little snack later on. Let me see, should I square it off? Like that? Like on all fours? Is that what I should do? How should I do that? Maggie girl, what do you think? Y'all can't see her, but she's right here. I think I'm just gonna try and kind of square things off just a little bit. Not much. There we go. Now, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be good. Now I'll be able to make some big slices. Just right down like that. Boom. And then these are some center cut portions right here. Gonna be pretty. And boom. Look at that. Old bologna loaf. A loaf of bologna. All right, there we go. All right. Now, that one's a little bit thinner. That's okay. We'll make some short work of these dudes. Just gonna put them just like that. Just like that. Now, if you wanted to, you could go ahead and pre-warm your griddle. Not your griddle, your smoker, pellet grill. I'm gonna do these on the pellet grill. So I'm going into about a 1 by 1. Just like that. Look at that, man. Could you get any more perfect than that, Hussey? Dang, I'll pop my collar. Come on. Just come around. Maggie, what? She just keeps whining. She wants bologna. All right. Here we go. And some more like that. Now I'm going to put these back onto our tray there. And I think I could probably get some cubes out of this one too. Oh yeah. There we go. You could pre-warm your grill if you wanted to. I like to put my stuff, especially on a pellet grill, I like to put everything in there with a cold smoker. It kind of gets that first good smoke that the pellet grills normally put off. So if you want to warm it up, go ahead and do it. That's your jam. If you want to be like me and wait, then wait. So we got our bologna in some nice pieces here. Talk about binders. My binder today, Duke's. Gonna do some mayonnaise as a binder, state law. This right here, I can't show y'all the label, but this might be something that might be coming out soon for Hussey. We shall see. So that's gonna be our barbecue rub that we're gonna put on there. It's gonna take some Dabo mayonnaise. here and there. We'll massage these things in, man, like I'm a Swedish massagist. Is that right? Swedish massagist? Yeah, because, you know, like Swedish massage is, yeah, that's right. Right? Right. Let me get some gloves on. We're gloved up. We're ready to give Swedish massage and any kind of other exams that somebody might be coming through the neighborhood with. Jeff, want it? Jeff don't want it. Oh, Andersons, I bet you they'd put their nose up at some of these burnt ends. What do you think? I should take some over there and just put it in their mailbox. Like, go at this, Jeff. What you think about this, Jeff? All right. There we go. We're nice and cubed up now. So, we're going to take our rub of choice here. Use whatever favorite rub you have. This right here is something that I'm testing out, just a FYI, that might be coming to market. So after you get done with your cubes, take you a lined baking pan, sheet pan, and one of these baking racks. Makes it so much easier. And then whenever you put some glaze on it or whatever, you could do it right through there and it don't mess up your baking sheet. So it's a little tip. So we're just gonna go at these, make sure all of these pieces of bologna have rub all over all sides. And we'll come right back once I fill this whole sheet up here. Y'all stay here. Bologna burnt ends about to happen. And there we go, look at that, all kind of pretty. If you wanna come in some places maybe where you just didn't get rub, kind of put that in there, just like that. Here we go. All right, now all we gotta do, take it over to the smoker, let it go until it's already cooked, until it's got, a little bit of a crust on it. Then we're gonna sauce it. Gosh, let's go. All right. Here I put the other items. I'm just gonna, that's not what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. I like to take just this, put it right there. Makes it easier. So put those on to the grill. I like the top because the pot's down here in the bottom. I like to be as far away as possible from that. The convection kind of works a little bit more, I think. This is my idea. I'm gonna close it up. Use whatever favorite pellets you got. 250 degrees. And again, I like to put my stuff in on a cold grill. Helps get that first initial smoke that pellet grills typically give off. So, see you back in just a little while. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I'm guessing about an hour to have it nice and tacky. Or tacky? No, not tacky, but like a crust, okay? Like a bark. Whatever it is, we'll see you. Guys, our bologna, looking really good over there. It's almost done. I mean, it's pretty much, bologna's already done, all right? We're gonna make a barbecue sauce. And what I like with bologna is, I like mustard on my bologna sandwiches. So I'm gonna make Southern mustard barbecue sauce. I don't know, maybe. I'm gonna start off with a little bit of ketchup. I'm gonna do a little mustard. A lot of mustard, actually. I want this to be mustard. This is, a lot of people think that this is North Carolina, but actually a lot of mustard is from South Carolina, the mustard sauce. So it does come up into North Carolina, like the southern end of North Carolina, where southern North Carolina, South Carolina meet. But yeah, so typically in North Carolina, we just got the western and the eastern, or the Lexington style and the eastern style. A little bit of red pepper flake, not much. I'm kind of a wimp when it comes to spice. Apple cider vinegar. Down below, there will be a link for full recipe with the video, and then there'll also be, I also probably have the ingredients and all that kind of good jazz down in the comments too. Not the comments, but the description. Honey. I like what honey does. and brown sugar. Brown sugar. Now, what I like about, what I like about making your own is, you want it sweet? Make it sweet. You want it salty? Make it salty. A little Worcestershire sauce. I love a good mustard sauce. Used to find one. I think the place went out of business. Heifer dust, that's got your salt, got your pepper, got your garlic, onion powder, got some other little goodies. And I'm just gonna mix that up really well. Ooh, yeah, look at that. I'm gonna add a little bit more honey. The idea here is I want it to stick really good to our bologna. Man, that's good. Also, a little bit, totally optional, a little bit of MSG. You probably need to make this a little bit ahead of time, and that way all the flavors just kind of bloom with one another. But this right here is good. I say let's go get our bologna. Look at what we got right here, y'all. Would you look at that? It looks like some sweet potatoes. That's what it kind of looks like. Man, look, they're squishy. They got a good little crust on them. Man, that looks good. Well, and I got some more here. This is what wouldn't fit on my tray. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? Am I going to, we could probably, eat them just like this. But most of the time, you want to, put some barbecue sauce on them, put them back on the smoker, and I think that's what we'll do. Let me go get a brush. I love these brushes. ThermoWorks brushes are awesome. I'm going to take and brush on some of this sauce on some of these, and what I'll do is I'm going to put it back onto the smoker, let that kind of tack up just a little bit. I'm going to leave some without barbecue sauce on them, and I'm just going to dip it in the barbecue sauce. Okay, so kind of go in two ways. You can also, you got your favorite other regular barbecue sauce. Go right ahead, do that. All right, I'm going to take the rest of these off. I'm not going to sauce all of them. Man, that mustard sauce, I just got just lofted right into my nose canals, and it smells excellent. Man, look at these things. I got everything. These little meat candies. If you want to put it into you want to put these into a bowl and just kind of toss them. You can do that too. But this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna take these back to the smoker. We'll let them go for maybe 5-10 minutes max. All right. Been about 10 minutes. Let's go get these. We're gonna give them a try. Let's go. Let's go. And there we go. Look at those pretty little suckers right there. Woo! Let's put some butcher paper there. Make us look like official and stuff. I wonder which one I'm gonna like the most. The ones that was sauced and then put back, or the ones that were not sauced and put back. I don't know, we'll see. I'm just gonna put a little bit of our sauce kind of on the side and dip it in. These right here were not sauced. All right. For these ones that was sauced, I'm just gonna come in here. And now, there you have it, folks. Bologna burnt ends. Never thought I'd ever be saying bologna burnt ends. Just gonna try nothing, just bologna and that rub. I don't know if you can see that or not. Still juicy. My rub, a little sweetness to it, a little salty to it. That's pretty good. It's very soft, very decadent, very demure. I'm gonna dunk it in my sauce. Oh, that sauce. I need to make this sauce go good with some pork chops. Or it'll go good with a dang bologna sandwich. I like that a lot. give us one that was sauced to try. Look, ooh, look at that thing right there. Cheers. Oh, I like that one. That's got to be my favorite. I think sauce it, put it back. It kind of got set a little bit. Got the flavor from the sauce. Wash it down with a little cheer wine. That's pretty good. I had a thought. My fingers. I had a thought what might really be good. And so King's Hawaiian has these little, can't see them on camera. They're like pretzel bites. I thought, man, that'd be pretty cool. Now it looks kind of janky because the pretzel bites not quite as big as I thought. But you could kind of tailor your burn in kind of accordingly. See, that right there don't really, it's not real big. But look at that. Can you imagine at a dang baby shower, you break these bad boys out? You'd be going to another baby shower after that, probably really soon, a lot of them, because people will be like, honey, you make these right here? Well, I'm not gonna say all that. Let's give this a try. Yep. That'll work. That don't suck right there. Some might say it's good groceries. That's really all I got. Which I feel like is a lot. It's good. This is good. Needs to be done. Like soon. If you're local, got a food line, head over to Food Line, get you one of those chubs of bologna, smoke it, make burn ends out of it, make sandwiches out of it, do what you will. I don't think you'll regret it. It's good groceries. Hey, we'll see you. Let me get a bigger knife. Something that I don't have to saw too much. Whew, look at that bad boy. She's pretty. She's pretty and she's pretty sharp too. Yes. But there ain't nothing sweeter than his love. I've been downtown. Old Toby Mac's been on my mind lately. Been on the brain. Love his music. You know, Jacob, while you're filming this, you're probably saying, man, I sure do miss this. So I hope you do. I hope you do, Jacob. I hope you're saying, I sure do miss Hussey. Sucker, leaving me by myself. Like, what am I supposed to do, man? You know? What am I supposed to do? Jacob Jean. Let's go. Let's go, sucker. Whatever it is. Whatever. I've been uptown. Oh, hello, darling. There we go. Bologna Burnt Ends coming right at you.